Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your HP 15 SFQ laptop, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have these tools ready before starting. First, power off your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial to ensure your safety during the replacement process. After shutting it down, flip the laptop over to access the battery compartment. Next, locate the screws securing the battery. You should typically find 3 to 4 Phillips screws holding it in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe location so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as this could damage the internal components. If you encounter resistance, use a plastic spudger to help pry it free gently. Remember, if you're unsure or uncomfortable performing this task, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. After removing the old battery, take a moment to clean the battery compartment with a dry cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and a clean environment helps ensure proper contact with the new battery. It's also a good idea to check for any visible damage inside the compartment. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Slide it in gently until it clicks into place. This is a crucial step. Ensure it is seated securely. If you don't have the tools or the time, remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home to make this process easy. Once the new battery is in place, reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the casing. After securing the battery, flip the laptop back over and plug it into a power source. Press the power button to turn it on. You should see the battery indicator light up, confirming that the new battery is functioning properly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We offer a quote before repair to help you know what to expect. Finally, if you ever find yourself needing assistance with laptop repair or any other tech issues, remember that we offer convenient services like no calls, no travel. Simply contact us, and we'll handle everything for you. With these steps, you can successfully replace the battery in your HP 15 SFQ laptop and extend its lifespan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.